Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME GT7 Pro, and let me show you how to activate developer panel. At first, open the settings. Then from main settings list, select About Device. And now mark a version. Tap 7 times on version number at the top of the list. Then draw an analog pattern, provide your fingerprint, whatever you use. And as you can see, from now on, you are a developer. To reach developer options, you have to go back and enter System and Update settings, go to developer options, and here you've got them. So as you can see, now you can manage your device however you like. You've got access to pretty advanced settings, so smoothly use it as only you wish. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.